In this video, I will show you how to insert a table in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is sign into your Gmail account. Once you do that, I want you to click on Compose and open the sub window like this. Now, this is where you're going to add the email address of the person you want to send the email to and the subject. And this is where we're going to add the table. Now, please understand that Gmail does not have a built-in tool to add tables, so we're going to use sheets.google.com. You're going to click on the new sheet. You're going to select a table cell, drag it to the row and column of your desire. And once you're done, you copy it by pressing Ctrl or Command C. Now let's go back to Gmail, and in our message body, we're going to paste, so Command V. And that's how you insert a table in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.